Hi Superachievers. Today I was going through my LinkedIn profile. There I saw a post which you can see in the screen. The growth of drone industries in India. Number of companies that you see, many of them are startup companies. So I thought of, let's make a video on career options in drone industries. Because it is growing actually. Today we'll see why the drone industry is growing, and we'll see a complete drone manufacturing unit and what are the functions where you can fit in and what are the roles you can play and the salary structure. These things we are going to see today. If you are really interested, stay with me for 8 to 10 minutes. We will discuss clearly and you will have some clarity and start thinking of whether you will go in this career option or not. And don't forget to share my video, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. By the way, my name is Pratap Harichandan and founder of Atindriyam. Why drone industry is growing? Drones are being used many functions. That's why it is growing. Demand is there. First, it is wars. Recent wars we have seen between USA, Israel and Iran. Drones were playing a critical and vital roles, and it will go on increasing. We have India also used in the Sindoor operation. Correct GIS mapping means drones are used, and with GIS mapping means they will find the location where to hit and they will hit it. Second is in agriculture sector, for spraying pesticides, for spraying nutrients, for knowing the soil health, to check the climate. Those things can be done by the drones. In logistics sector, that means delivering small products to the customer. Amazon already started using drones. I don't think it is used in India. I think it is used in other countries like USA. They are using. So definitely uses of drones will go on increasing and demands will be growing. 24% CAGR in India, and abroad I don't know, it will be more. So now let us see what are the functions in a drone manufacturing units and where are the roles you can fit in. First, it is product design and research and development, which is the brain of this industry. What you do, you design drones in structure, aerodynamics, everything, develop new technology, improve performance. Like some drones you deliver to the market with feedbacks, improve the performance by changing some designs. Roles will be drone design engineers, aerospace engineer, embedded system engineers, robotic engineers. What are the basic qualifications? It will be BTech or BE in robotics, mechatronics, electronics, and mechanical some way. We'll see where the mechanical engineers can work. These are the main education qualification and roles. Generally PCM and students, it is very good for PCM students, those who are thinking of engineering. Second role is electronics software जो implement होगा, जो manufacture में use होगा in drones. Electronics and softwares, this is the intelligence, this is the high demand area, critical area. Build high control system and software for navigation and integrate the GPS system. The roles you play, roles firmware engineer, software engineer, AI and computers engineer, and these are the high paying roles. And generally qualification will be BTech in computer science. General qualification is BTech in computer science. Third is manufacturing and production. This is a general one, and they are the builders. The last one was those were electronics and software. They were the intelligence. First one is the brain, and the manufacturing production is the builder. That means you assemble the drones, manage the production line, ensure the efficiency, productivity, ensure the productivity. What are the roles? Production engineers, assembly technicians, operation managers. BTech in mechanical or diploma in mechanical engineering, or robotics also you can go into this function. Fourth is your testing and quality assurance, the check. That means once the drones are manufactured, whether that has been manufactured as per the SOP or as per the design, they test so that it is performing well in the field. So what are the things that you do? Test drone performances, check safety and reliability, and fix the defects if there are any defects that you rectify. Roles will be quality assurance engineer, testing engineer, flight test specialist. Generally, basic qualification is BTech in mechanical or aerospace engineering or diploma. That also will do. Fifth one is your supply chain and procurement. This is the backbone because they arrange all the items for the drone manufacturing. That means they source the components, manage the vendors, and control the inventory. This is the key area, supply chain. The roles simple: supply chain manager or procurement specialist, procurement engineer, these things. And the basic qualification is BTech in mechanical engineering or robotics, mechatronics भी हो सकता है. Sixth is your data analytics. That means the hidden gold. This is what you do actually. You do analyze the drone data, improve the performance, and generate the insights. That means this analysis is required to take the decisions, what to do, how to improve the function of the drones, those things. And improvised, BSc in computer science or BTech in computer science or BSc in data science. Now a lot of options are there that you can do because you will be working on data. Seventh is your operation and deployment. That means when the drones are being deployed in the field, sometimes you appoint the agencies, those who take your drones and use in the field. There you can become a what are the roles? Fly drones, conduct survey, and execute the projects. Generally, it is actually drone pilots, and you can do a certification from the DGCA as a drone pilot after your 12th class or your ITI or your diploma course. This is the basic requirement. Eighth is, which is a general one, sales and marketing. The basic qualification will be Bachelor of Business Administration or MBA. And the ninth one is strategy and innovation. This is the future. And you can be a product manager, innovation lead, and your qualification definitely it will be around high end. That means you are a premium student from a premium institute like IITs or NITs with an engineering degree, or MBA from a premier institute like IIMs. So these are the career options for you. If you start thinking whether you want to build a career in this option, drone sectors. That's all for this video. If you like this video, please share it, subscribe my channel, and hit the bell icon. If you need any help, please write to me. I am there to help you out. All the love, all the power.